Number 237, the area of a square piece of land in square meters is numerically equal to 9 times its perimeter in meters. What is the length of a side of this square piece of land? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 9, 6, 36, and 81 meters and none of the above. Okay, so let's draw the figure first. Area of, so the area of a square piece of land. Okay, so area of rectangle. So this is the square. So the formula for area of a square is S squared. And the formula for perimeter, perimeter is the total length of distance around a polygon. So since this is square, all the sides are equal. So let the side be S. So therefore, the perimeter is equal to 4 times S. Okay? And then let's form the equation. So the area of a square piece of land. So the area of a square piece of land, that is A, in square meters is numerically equal to. So is numerically equal to, so that is equal sign. And then 9 times its perimeter in meters. So 9 times its perimeter. So 9 times P, or simply 9P. So this will be our formula. Area is equal to 9P. So the question is, what is the length? What is the length of a side of this square piece of land? So let's substitute the formula for area and perimeter of this square piece of land. So the formula for area is S squared. So we have S squared is equal to 9 times its perimeter. The perimeter is 4S. So substitute 4S for this P. So we have 4S. And then we need to solve for S. So let's simplify. So we have S squared is equal to 9 times 4. That is equal to 36S. So to solve for S, we can divide both sides by, we have S squared for to the left and then 36S to the right. So we can divide both sides by S. So we can cancel out the S. S squared over S. So that is equal to S. Because S squared, so that means S times S. And then divided by S. We can cancel 1S on numerator and denominator. Denominator. So we have S remaining S in the numerator. So therefore, S is equal to 36, and that is our answer, 36 meters. So the correct answer is letter C, 36 meters. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay? So, PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.